Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're going to be doing our Ipsy unbagging for the month of April. This is this month's bag. This retails for $12 a month plus tax. I think it comes like $12.84-ish. I just checked earlier, but I think that's right. But this is the bag this month, and I think it's super cute. It's like a lavender lilac-y purple shade with, I think they're flowers all over it. And I love the little handle. It's like wooden and it's just really cute. So I really like that. But yeah, we'll just dive right in. The theme of this month is full bloom. So you do get a card every month in here, and then it's got all of the products on the inside there. I have seen one of the products already because it did come in the like envelope and not in the actual bag because it was a little bit too big, but that is this. This is by Luxy Brushes, and it is super cute. I love the handle. It kind of fades from like a taupey color to the pink that's Luxy's like traditional color. And this is a 209 large shader brush. So always down to get brushes. Love Luxy brushes. They're great. This is full size and it retails for $12. So right there is your bag paid for. Now everything else is basically free. So first thing in here is aromatica, I'm not sure. Calendula Juicy Cream, all skin types, sensitive skin, vegan formula. So it's vegan. And are you cruelty free though is the question. The star ingredient in this moisturizer, calendula extract, all natural skin healer, takes down redness, great, and itching on contact. Heavy on hydration but feels super light, and it's like a water-like texture that soaks in fast and makes your skin soft and bouncy. Surely this is cruelty free. Certified organic. I don't know, like the writing is very tiny and I'm blind right now without my glasses, but I assume it's cruelty free, it's organic and vegan, so 9 times out of 10 that means it is, but we will check here once. I will of course look it up and tell you guys. If it's not, then I'll give it to like my mom or something, but I can't tell if it smells good because all I can smell is my makeup remover. I don't really smell anything, but ooh. It does feel nice on the skin. It does feel very hydrating, so that's exciting. I love moisturizers. I have super dry skin, so it's always good. Full size of this retails for $40. Ooh. This is a deluxe size sample, of course. The full size is 150 grams. This is, you have to tell me how much you're on here somewhere. 20 grams, so about a little less than a third of the product. Next thing in here, oh, I actually picked this. This is by Buxom. This is a mascara. I've never tried anything from Buxom, I don't think I have. I've always wanted to, like their lip polishes and stuff, I just never have, but I love mascaras, so I definitely got this. This is the Lash Volumizing Mascara. Full size is 22 Dell hairs. So let's look at the wand. Ooh. That's a big boy. Yeah, that's huge. Huh. Smells like mascara. That is crazy big. So we'll definitely put this to the test though. I'm excited for that. Next. Oh, he's cute. It's a little whale. This is the Moisture Boost Gel to Water Morning Cleanser. It's by Tony Moly. This is a Korean skincare brand. It is not cruelty free, so not excited about that, but retails for $13.50, at least full size does, which is 5 ounces. This is 0.5 ounces, so not even close. It's really cute. I like the whale, but I'm not gonna use it because it's not cruelty free, so we'll give that to like my mom or something. And the last thing in here is by Oriza, I think is how you say it, Oriza Beauty. This is the Foiler Alert in Rosé. It's a metallic eyeshadow. This is a full-size product. It retails for $25.95. I don't know that I want to open it, but we're going to. I feel wasteful because I don't know if I'll actually use this or not. I've never really been like a cream eyeshadow person. Packaging's cute. Maybe I'll like adore the color and just want to use it, but we'll see. So squeezing it out. Looks like that. Yeah, that is a really pretty color. I just don't, don't think I'll use it. Ew, it smells like paint. I don't think I'll use it. I shouldn't have opened it. Oh well. Okay. So, kind of fades out into nothing. I will try it. I'll try it on my eyes and we'll see if I like it or not, but I don't think I will. Okay, so quick recap. We got the Tony Moly that I won't use because it's not cruelty free. We got the Aromatica moisturizer, which I'll definitely use because I love moisturizer. The Luxie brush, again, I will definitely use because Luxie brushes are great. The Ariza eyeshadow, I'm on the fence on this. I want to try it out just because I feel like I need to give it a fair shot. Just don't think I'll use it. But, and the last thing we got is the Buxom mascara, which of course I'm excited for because I did pick. So, all in all, a pretty good bag. I'd give it like a 3 out of 5. I'd give it a 5 out of 5 if this was cruelty free, and if I didn't get this, if I maybe got a different product, then it would get like a 5 out of 5, but we're doing 3 out of 5. So that's this month's bag. Let me know down below what you guys got, if you got any of the same things I got, that fun stuff. Don't forget to like this video before you go, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. Bye guys.